nabati bila katao, bila kakinamuyang nakalas na sa Baguio, imong Baguio lang. That is history, Your Honor. It has reached a point where his actions has already affected the image of not only the province but the people. So with that, Your Honor, being laid down as basis, I would like to find a resolution. A resolution declaring Mr. Ferdinand de la Merced as persona non grata in the province of Negros Oriental. If the body will allow me to read the resolution, Your Honor. Whereas Mr. Ferdinand de la Merced, also known as the Philippine Looper, arrived in Dumaguete City and the province of Negros Oriental on November 1, 2025 and was provided with complementary accommodations by the provincial government. Whereas, despite the hospitality extended, Mr. de la Merced posted statements on social media alleging neglect by the provincial authorities and the Provincial Tourism Office on November 3, 2025 without acknowledging that during this period, officials and staff of Negros Oriental were fully engaged in urgent disaster response and preparation efforts due to the imminent threat and landfall of Typhoon Dino, which was actively impacting the province and the Visayas region at the time. Whereas, Mr. de la Merced further published remarks describing typhoon risk as routine and his own event as rare, and actively criticized the perceived lack of attention, which were considered insensitive and disrespectful to the officials, employees, and people of Negros Oriental, given the extraordinary circumstances and urgent public safety activities then underway. Whereas these statements and behavior caused public indignation, disparaged the goodwill extended by the provincial government, and affronted the dignity of Negros Oriental and its citizens during a time of province-wide calamity response. Whereas the Sangguniang Pangalawigan finds Mr. de la Merced's conduct inconsistent with the values of respect, gratitude, and decency expected of visitors, and deems it proper to declare him persona non grata in the best interest of the province and its people. Now therefore, on motion of myself, duly seconded by whoever seconds it.
Everybody must.
Second, be it resolved, as it is hereby resolved, that the Sangguniang Pangalawigan of Negros Oriental declares Mr. Ferdinand de la Merced persona non grata in the province of Negros Oriental. Resolved further, the copies of the resolution be furnished to the office of the provincial governor, all component cities, and the municipalities of Negros Oriental, and to Mr. Ferdinand de la Merced for their information and guidance. That is the said resolution, Your Honor. I move for its approval.
Everybody,
Second.
Sorry.